Adios, amigos.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Saru Chronicles, where we turn Power BI from scary to simple. Today, we are diving into one of the most powerful text functions in Power BI DAX, the left function. The left function extracts a specific number of characters from the start of a text string. So let's load a simple employee dataset with full names into Power BI. It includes columns like employee, full name, designation, and application. Now, let's extract the first name initials from the full name column. Go to the data view, click on new column, and use this DAX formula, which is first initial is equal to left of employee data full name to 1. So you can use this to create initials, shortcodes, or even group data based on the first letter. Super useful for visual grouping or slicers. Now let's also create the first initial, which is also in upper format. Let's drop this new column to table visual. And there you have it, the left function Power BI DAX. Quick, simple, and super powerful. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your Power BI squad. Got questions or want me to cover another DAX function? Drop it in the comments below. This is Saru Chronicles, powering your Power BI journey one click at a time. Thanks.